Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change Dyson's battery. I have V7 Animal Pro vacuum cleaner, so I'm going to show you. I've already taken out one of the screws here, so which was here, right here. So I've already taken that out, and there are only 3 screws, so that's one. And then the next 2 are right on top of the label here, so right these 2, and they are kind of tough. So I could fortunately find one of these manual screwdrivers that I had from some other equipment, so I could take the screws out. So it's a little tricky positioned here, so yeah. So anyway, so you have these 3 screws, so you just unscrew them and then replace the new battery, which I have here. So I'm going to be showing you that. So let me take these off. Okay, so one of them is out. Next one. And finally, I have this one out as well. So now I'll be taking out this battery. So this battery is out, as you can see. And here's the new battery, and I'm going to be placing it. So since you can see the charging port is on this side, so this should face down, and all you do is just put it inside like that, okay? So we have it. Now I'm just gonna be putting on the new screws here that I got, so I'm gonna be placing it, and then it's all done. I'll be using this for the screws. So okay. Okay, so the last one over here, right here. Okay, so it's all set. If you want to manually do it a little bit, just in case it's not tightened enough, you can always do that. But like I said, it's in these kind of tricky positions, so it's kind of tough. So anyway, so this is it. Now I'll be using my new batteries. I hope this will work faster than my old batteries. So yeah, this is how you replace your Dyson's battery. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.